They like, oh, they like Oreos. Get it? Did you guys both get one?
I think they're sharing the same one.
They love Oreos. Aren't they good Oreos? They're good Oreos. See how much they like Oreos? They don't even let you get the door open. Oh, you dropped your Oreo. Don't give them any more. It's too sugary, honey. I just gave them a piece. Because they're so damn cute and they love it. Look how much they love Oreos.
I mean, it looks like they're fighting over it, literally.
Yeah, they like Oreos. You blame them? Oh my gosh. Yummy Oreos. Oreo. Yummy Oreo. Did you finish your Oreo? Huh? Did you finish your Oreo?